In 7 regions of this country, our presidential candidate did not win a single constituency. Not one. I'm talking about presidential.
Hello, hi, Xposed. The name is Bcos. Subscribe, share. Made to man, I will say Akabi. And MPP will go to elect flag bearer. Me who be that say executive to on elected flag bearer, but that is what their constitution says. Me chairman, me dear Ben, meet me on Amaka. But and then we got chance upon a video by Brian Echampon. Asem no kind, asema me ala me bisame. Yenko timra.
Look at the results. In 7 regions of this country, in 7 regions, our presidential candidate did not win a single constituency. In 7 regions of this country, our presidential candidate did not win a single constituency. Not one. I'm talking about presidential. Our candidate did not win a single constituency in 7 regions. In Western region, the MPP's Western region, he won 1. The whole of Western region, he won 1 constituency with less than 500 votes. In Central region, he won 2 constituencies. Almighty Greater Accra, he won only 2 constituencies. All of the North we lost. His promise of winning the Zongo vote for us, we lost every Zongo except Efutu Zongo. Think about it. Every Zongo in this country we lost except Efutu Zongo. 1. And then we talk about it, we educate the delegates, and then what we hear? Akanaipe. The NDC had 56%. Do you think that they are not a political party? They almost say 56 rand. Every election, we start from 0. In every election, President Akufo-Addo had 49%. He didn't say that at cap 0.01 pe. In the next election, we started from ground 0, and we moved our seats to 169, and he won. When the next election, you don't start from 41%. We need to bring a candidate that can feed into the MPP's winning formula and win the elections for us.
Dr. Bamian, one politician. Now say, yeah. Or find way now, Casano. Or say, I can 9% pen number winning. It's 42 no. Charlie, Papa, we are young. Now, what I got is 42 now. 41, 30 hours a day. Why they get us head out? Then they say NDC in Sunya 50-something% 20. So I don't know what any about who years I get to. Hey, if that is the logical, no wonder so over far Ghana city every 3 cities score 17 cities. I'll say you have done well. No wonder, because sir, if you are logical thinking like I'm thinking now, to say you make us logically, anything you may thinking, not sabe. I said, come. Say, yeah, to be a man because I don't know what we can try to say. The mistakes of Akufo-Addo, you won't come and repeat it by appointing your cousin in power when you know, say, your cousin is incompetent and cannot manage the affairs of Ghana. That's what I wanted to hear. And now you go and do say you have done a self-assessment. Now what we say, a banner mobile me dig Ghana bro into this time, oh, back with a new face, a new vision for Ghana. I will have bought into that. But I can't say I can 9%. No, 50%. No, big so no, all 54 and 56%. No, as happy pan anybody here to hide them. That is shallow-minded, hollow-minded. Because what do be? Nietzsche MPP for choose Dr. Baumiano, and 3 key things: the economy. No, for no economy guru. No matter no Muslim. don't say obey me actually Muslim from the Zongo and all that. The third one is that they believe that the youth, because of his current ideas, buy into what? Training of Ophelia. Training of Ophelia. When it comes to the economy, the time Ghana acquired the worst economic crisis since whatever, Baumia's time, inflation went up to 52%. Madness. Fuel from 4 cedis to 23 cedis per liter. Cedi depreciation from 3 cedis 40 pesos, it went up to 17 cedis. It went as high as 23 cedis. Obeka so okay Cremophone. Only me tell Cremophone to ama Dr. Baumia. Na Cremoni otimi ko your friend say abosom fie. Now oye na dey so a confused person. Onyo bia Cremophone can identify with him because omhwe ni sune ne ban ya niema na oye no haram in Quran. So they didn't vote. The third one was the youth. Youth na ko benya kakra ho no e no mo de yi levy buy e no mo de betting on tax o se de enso buy. 83 areas ni nyina na Yorubam ya ni tia MPP fan no wo feliye. Now, let me tell you why you should vote for Yera Kennedy Japan. Make a challenge. Number one, the number one problem in Ghana is job creation. Ejuma nya science o, ejuma an arts. Obi otimidi enima ba arts. What you say? So ka ene businessman na otimi employ ni pa Ghana pa untimi nyi Honorable Kennedy Japan enfi. Enti ejuma ne yehwehwe no even individually no nim senia ye pa ejuma. What take a point no. Number 2, patriotism I lack it in Ghana politics. Make up patriotism say you benya a sacrificial way for Ghana, say you bet me ye bibia Ghana and there be near say be Ghana. Because politicians don't book Ghana kesiye. Now we have a unique chance to bring somebody here. Ni on party one mu wia ko to make say your party wia. It's how much more? Who say Ghana? The patriotism is there. It's the power we say no to mana. You go wrong. And also mateke. Now the last one. Sabe the person who give ye who are delegates no akoto abana say. Since 1992, politicians now are funny in our failure. The way I hear man says, "Sanya be akwadia." It will take us 1,000 years to reach even half of where we want to go. We don't have 1,000 years to waste. Ghana has a chance, a unique chance to bring somebody who will bring what something new to the table, something that we've never seen before, dynamism into it. And whereas Niamana Sabe about me studying for failure, no, Yera Kennedy upon Niamana Sabe about putting Ghana high, no, what taking in. That's what I'm telling you. It is time to go Kennedy Japan. Now Lumba, that Lumba Uyen, ne 1 week, and now you say, get a phone penny for, say bien class for. Brother Sammy, yes, I took us home. A Tr0ubIe brother Sammy the bar or no. Person ko head to one bra.
Hey, Atasa! You have
Etuo we na ma Daniel ye kotwitwa anti. Etuo we na ma King Solomon okowu abosomfie. Etuo we na ma David wo hwe obi yire okodi no. Etuo we ya. Etuo we na ma even Abraham wo ko ware miensa no. Because I say ware bibi no ka tu rese ne to no se na etieni. Etuo we e bomb man brutal. Na ba cho Sammy o kan den say ababa e na den ba ho. Because afa yie no hey ready. Ghana from Pedjaman yo. And you don't say no be anya yie no. Wo bi aheto no. And that time pa le ne channel e shiny. Nti o say attract to hwet one na bo pata. Ne say atwa ne kwa say foolish man follow me. Foolish man follow me. Sa na ka kire ye mema no. Ya Jimmy fucking. No, just take so asano every day. Ghana for Pedjaman. When the mumu see yenim nyame no. Yenim nyame bia brother Sammy. Now before say we are gospel but who leading go to hell. Because at one of the buy no, go for that day no. Obano buy no agenda. Because at two way you kukuru massa, we kukuru at two way na agenda wo ho. Sammy ka chance penny for ne ba. But na was to one ka go, you say Ghana for penny for me week. Say we hwe, e ofe, at one e fe, me to am say e rade. Na me oboni ama wo. Ti we nyina oboni na ba wo de want si ahwe. Na ye de o say e nsay. E be de Xposed Xposed subscribe share. Me to man na saka be man no asi.